Welcome to Past Perspectives, where science meets imagination and the universe becomes your playground. How fast would an object fall if you dropped it on every planet in our solar system? Same height, same object, different gravity. First up, Earth. The familiar pull of 9.8 meters per second squared, our baseline. Next, the Moon. 1/6 Earth's gravity. It takes its time. Mercury, just a bit heavier than the Moon, a slightly stronger tug. Venus, similar in size and gravity to Earth. The fall is almost identical. Mars, lighter gravity, longer fall. Jumpers rejoice. Jupiter, the giant. Gravity here is intense. The object slams down with force. Saturn, not far behind. Another gas giant pulling hard. Uranus, less massive, but still packs a gravitational punch. Neptune, slightly stronger than Uranus with a swift descent. And now, Pluto. Gravity here is like a whisper. The fall feels like a dream. But what if we dropped it on the sun? Its gravity crushes all competition. The object is gone in an instant. Now, let's drop them all together. Same height. Watch how gravity defines each world. From gentle floats to violent crashes, gravity writes the rhythm of every planet's dance. Thanks for watching. If you love space simulations, hit like, subscribe, and drop your next what if below.